Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 1. We will explain the definition part of speech and its types. Part of speech atau kelas kata adalah klasifikasi dari kata-kata yang dikategorikan dari peran dan fungsinya dalam struktur kalimat suatu bahasa. Types part of speech atau jenis-jenis part of speech yaitu number 1, noun, number 2, pronoun, number 3, adjective, number 4, adverb, number 5, conjunction, number 6, verb.
First, I will explain about noun. What is noun? Noun adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menamakan kata benda, di mana noun mencakup segala jenis nama, mulai dari nama orang, hewan, buah-buahan, sayur-sayuran, merek suatu produk, jenis pekerjaan, ide atau gagasan, and occurrence atau suatu kejadian. How many kind of noun? Yaitu terbagi menjadi dua. Pertama, dilihat dari wujudnya. Concrete noun, example freezer, laptop, table, window, head. Abstract noun, example envy, honesty, goodness, patience. Yang kedua dilihat dari jumlahnya. Yang pertama yaitu uncountable noun, example sugar, tea, music, sand, coffee. Dua countable noun, example cupboard, bed, suitcase, plate, glass. Yang ketiga plural noun, example wolves, cars, newspaper, cellphones, dictionaries. Yang keempat singular noun, example wolf, wife, live, left, and thief.
What is pronoun? Pronoun merupakan kata yang digunakan untuk menggantikan kata noun. Example, I, you, they, we, she, he, it, them, this, that, theirs, choose, another, nothing, someone, who, which, whom, whose, that, mine, your, his, each other, one another. Example of sentence atau contoh kalimat. 1. I usually read some books in the morning. Subject I, predicate usually read, object some books, adverb of place in the morning. 2. He wears a blue shirt and dark jeans. Subject he, predicate wears, object a blue shirt and dark jeans. 3. They will play football at school. Subject they, predicate will, object play football, adverb of place at school. 4. They will go to Bali tomorrow. Subject they, predicate will go, object Bali, adverb of place tomorrow. 5. The boy playing football at the field. Subject the boy, predicate playing football, adverb of place at the field.
3. Adjective. Adjektif adalah kata yang digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan noun atau pronoun yang dapat berupa orang, person, tempat, place, binatang, animal, benda atau konsep abstrak, thing. How many kind of adjective? Number 1, proper adjective. Kata sifat ini menjelaskan suatu benda dengan suatu nama dari kata benda tertentu. Example, most of people in Indonesia are Javanese. Subject, people, predicate Javanese, adverb of place, Indonesia. Number 2, descriptive adjective. Merupakan adjektif yang digunakan untuk menerangkan sifat dan keadaan seseorang, hewan atau benda. Example, Rahul is a brave man. Subject Rahul, predicate brave, object man. Number 3, quantitative adjective. Digunakan untuk menerangkan seberapa banyak dari suatu benda yang dimaksudkan seperti little, much, no, any, same, enough, whole, safely, health. Example, Vina ate a little breed. Subject Rina, predicate at, object breed, adverb of place, little. Number 4. Numeral adjective digunakan untuk menghitung urutan dalam sebuah kondisi. Example, Rina bought 5 series of books. Subject Rina, predicate bought, object books, adverb of place 5. Number 5. Descriptive adjective berfungsi untuk membagi sebuah kata benda dalam kalimat seperti each, every, either, neither. Example, the 2 students had eat a book. Subject student, predicate had, object book, adverb of place each.
Adverb, kata keterangan adverb of manner. Example, fast, softly, quickly, will, slowly. Adverb of time. Example, yesterday, this morning, daily. Adverb of degree. Example, enough, so, very, too quick. Adverb of frequency. Example, usually, rarely, always, after. Example, behind, in, below. Contoh kalimat kata keterangan. They are playing soccer when I was at home. Subject, they. Predicate, playing, object, soccer. Adverb of place, when I was at home. Laila wrote a poem last night. Subject, Laila, predicate, wrote, object, poem, adverb of time, last night. Sigit is watching television right now. Subject, Sigit, predicate, watching, object, television, adverb of time, right now. Budi was listening to rock music 1 hour ago. Subject, Budi, predicate, listening, object, rock music, adverb of time, 1 hour ago.
Conjunction is a part of speech that uses to connect word, phrases, clauses, or sentence. The coordinate conjunction enable you to combine words, phrases, and clauses with the same grammatical rank in a sentence. The most common coordinate conjunction is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so on. You can memorize them using mnemonic families. Simple, I study hard for the examination. I pronoun, study verb, her adjective, so conjunction for preposition examination. Ulla and Fia is sitting mother. Ulla, noun, and conjunction. Fia, noun, is to be adjective. Eating, verb ing. She is not only my sister, but also my best friend. She, pronoun, is to be adjective, not only conjunction. My pronoun, sister, noun, but also conjunction. My pronoun, best adjective, friend, noun. Hadijah is young or old. Hadijah, noun, is to be adjective, young adjective, or conjunction, all adjective. I never study hard, yet I get big score. I pronoun, never adverb, study verb, are adjective, yet conjunction. I pronoun, yet verb, get verb, big adjective, score, noun.
What is verb? Is a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as here, become, happen. Example of verb. Example of regular verbs. Ask, asked, talked, cleaned, play, played, played. My sister want to tell to him. Example of irregular verb. Come, came, come. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Will you come to her party? My friends came to my house last week.